Let's talk about one of the biggest challenges on the SAT, the reading section. A lot of students lose time and points here, but with the right approach, you can master any passage they throw at you. Here are 5 strategies that top scorers use. Tip 1. Skim the structure first. Before you dive into reading word by word, take about 30 seconds to scan the passage. Read the first sentence of each paragraph and glance at the conclusion. This gives you a mental roadmap. You'll know where the author is heading before you even start. Tip 2. Identify the main claim. Every SAT passage has a central argument or point. As you read, keep asking yourself, what is the author trying to convince me of? Find that thesis statement is usually in the first or second paragraph and underline it. This one sentence will help you answer most of the questions. Tip 3. Track tone shifts. Here's a secret the SAT loves to test: tone shifts. Watch for words like however, although, and yet. These signal that the author is about to reveal their real position. Whatever comes after that contrast word is usually what the author actually believes, and that's what the questions will ask about. Tip 4. Answer line reference questions. First, when you get to the questions, start with the ones that point you to specific lines in the passage. These are your quick wins. You don't need to remember everything, just go back to the exact spot. Knocking these out first builds your confidence and saves time for the harder inference questions. Tip 5. Eliminate, then choose. Finally, don't just pick the answer that feels right. Instead, actively cross off the 2 answers that are clearly wrong. Once you've narrowed it down to 2 options, compare them carefully. This process of elimination is one of the most reliable test-taking strategies you can use. So remember, skim first, find the main claim, watch for tone shifts, tackle line reference questions early, and always eliminate before choosing. Practice these 5 strategies and you'll see your reading score climb. Let's keep going. Give a like and subscribe for more hacks. We are here to help you achieve your goals.